My class is going to be presenting Pandora's box. They are going to take you away to ancient Greece, where Pandora is about to learn a harsh lesson.
Hello, my name is Pandora. I was carved from white marble by Vulcan, the god of fire. The goddess Athena gave me knowledge, and the goddess Aphrodite gave me wisdom. This gave me the sealed box and told me never to open it. The only problem is that I was also given curiosity. Now I am living on Earth with my husband, and I am bored.
How can you be bored, Pandora? Look how beautiful Earth is. We have everything we could possibly want or need. There is no danger, no trouble, and no need to work.
It is lovely here. No one ever cries or argues. Everything is absolutely perfect. Too perfect.
Come, Pandora. Let's go in our friends for some fun and songs.
Fun, fun, fun. I'm sick of fun. Let's do something exciting. Let's go exploring.
Why should we explore? We don't need to find the things. We have everything.
Except for whatever's in this box.
Pandora, you were told that you must not ever open that box. I don't want to hear about it.
He has absolutely no curiosity. I'm sure the box holds something wonderful. If I just open it a tiny bit, nothing can happen.
I'm free at last, free at last. Sorrow is here and joy is past.
Golden days for all good deeds. Now it's giving time for greed, greed, greed.
I'm Dorothy here to create a stir. I'm a very wicked green-eyed monster. I'm false and shams and nasty lies. With me around, she quickly dies.
With me, there will be constant battle with those who gossip, talk, and battle.
Time for fun and games will hurt. Since labor's here is work, work, work.
I'll make your body sweet and ill. You'll even find disease can
Pandora, what have you done? Close the lid on that miserable box. Now our perfect world is ruined, all because of your curiosity. From now on, people will have to live with greed, sorrow, pride, darkness, labor, disease. It's bad. It sounds like it's coming from the inside of the box. Let me out, please. Let me out. Why not let it out, Pandora? You've already done enough damage.
What a pretty spirit you are. Who are you?
I am called Hope. As long as you have me, I will calm your fears and take care of your troubles.
You are colored like the rainbow.
Yes, that is because I am made of tears and smiles.
Because of Pandora's curiosity, all the troubles of the world are here with us today. However, as long as we live on this earth, there will always be dreams and happiness, so long as we have hope.
Also, and very excited to be here tonight with you. My class has been working on folk tales since just before Christmas, and one of the folk tales that they've read is Hans Christian Andersen's The Nightingale. And tonight they're going to do a Reader's Theater presentation of that particular story. So hope you'll listen and enjoy.
The book told told of a wonderful bird who sang in the forest near the palace.
Wise men of the palace, come here at once. I have just read that there is a wonderful bird in my kingdom that all who visit here talk about. Why wasn't I told about this bird?
What bird would that be, Your Majesty?
What bird? The nightingale, of course. It is supposed to live in the forest near the palace. Find it. I wish for it to sing for me this very day.
We shall find it at once. But how will I find such a small bird in such an enormous forest? Give me some ideas.
Not a tree and give it birds. Move it to the castle. Birds.
I'm afraid none of those ideas will work. I am getting too old to climb trees. Whatever shall I do? I am not feeling wise at this moment. I know the nightingale well. Every night I am allowed to take good steps to my own pleasure in the forest. I also rest along the way and listen to the nightingale's beautiful song. Please take us to this wondrous bird. As a reward, you shall become the parlour-maid that you can make. The task will be much lighter. I'm afraid if we do not find the nightingale soon, our emperor will become so angry that he will make us love them. And if the emperor becomes ill, then we shall rule the kingdom and take all its treasures for ourselves. Let us hope the girl has forgotten where the bird is. Quick, in the woods! Where's that sound? Is this a nightingale? Ow! Ooh, ooh! A woodpecker. That's not a nightingale. Listen, there's beautiful nightingale. Our emperor wishes to hear you sing. Please come with us to the palace. I am honored to sing for the emperor. Please take me to the palace. That night the bird sang so beautifully that the emperor cried real tears. He ordered that the bird should not leave the palace, but should be kept in a rare and beautiful golden cage.
Decorated with emeralds, sapphires, and rubies. As beautiful as the bird itself.
The emperor seems quite helpless with that bird to sing for him each day. We need to get rid of it. I know what we shall do.
Take it deep into the forest and leave it there. Trap it and throw it into the river.
The emperor was sad when the nightingale disappeared, but then one day a package arrived. It was a pretty mechanical bird that sang in perfect rhythm. The emperor was delighted. A new bird song is pretty, but something is missing in its song. I don't know what. Oh, it's I knocked it off the table with my duster. It's all in pieces. It will never sing again. I shall surely be punished.
You will scrub the floors. Fire her.
But the punishment was not carried out, for on that day, the emperor became very ill.
The emperor will not live much longer. Soon the kingdom will be ours. We will take from the poor and give to the rich. Us!
The emperor is ill because the sweet song of the bird no longer echoes throughout the palace. Perhaps if I find the nightingale, she will sing for him. It was not necessary for the maid to find the bird. The nightingale heard of the emperor's illness and flew to the palace to sing for him.
Little bird, how could I have thought that another could match the beauty of your song? How can I ever repay you?
The tears you shed when you first heard you sing were payment enough. And now you must get well so that the plotters who want your throne cannot rule the kingdom. I will be your eyes and ears and tell you of events I see all over your kingdom. But promise me one thing.
I shall promise anything you ask. To live freely in the castle. To be the trusty advisor to the emperor.
In the morning, the servants came to see the dying emperor. But what a surprise! There he stood looking the picture of health. The plotters fled on foot and were never seen again, and the emperor, seeing them flee out the back way, said,
If you really love something, set it free. If it comes back, she's yours forever. If it doesn't, it never was.
I'm videotaping you.
No!
Yes. Uh-huh. Why, would you want to get me wet?
Yes.
Why?
You're an idiot.
So smile,
I
say,
don't want to be videotaped.
why not? Randy looks, hey Randy,
What?
turn around and say hi.
No way.
Where'd you get that raincoat?
What? What? We're doing it. Purpose. No, I'm not. See you. You're showing up. No, I'm not. No, Brady. It's done. Oh, sorry. I didn't know that was water bubbles.
There they are, the queens of the water wash. The car wash queens.
You're getting the towels wet.
Uh-oh.
Keep going. Your doofus unsmart. You're an idiot and unsmart. Shut up. You are. I was not. You were. I'm looking at you. Looking at you. No. Hurry up and get off the air.
Hey, you can't go around the car that way. You got to go back around the other way. Look. Unless you want to lift up the car. There they go. This is about as interesting as it gets. Say goodbye, girls.
Bye. Bye. Get out of here now. Bye.
And that's the way it was. This 1996. Say hi.
Hi.
So what are you jamming out?
Huh?
Jamming out?
Yeah.
Cool. Man. Look at him go. Thank you, Miles, for that wonderful concert. What do you think, Robin? Is that good or what? Huh? Miles, Robin doesn't have anything to say about that. Let's film Robin's new animal pig.
Jammin.
Hello, Gimme. Ooh, into the eye of a guinea pig. Hi, Giddy. Hi, Giddy Pig. Hi, Mr. Giddy Pig. Want to say anything for the audience? Huh? Hard to keep it in focus here. There you are. Well, anyway, he says goodbye. Robin's chaotic room. There she is, throwing her animals around. Playing shy. Uh-oh. And she's... Can she hide? She got small. Hey, don't! You'll bust it. Boy, is that like TV or what? Hey. And then we have Miles playing a one-piece orchestral arrangement. Yes, there we go. Wow, man. That's obtuse. And with that note, that's Jammin, man. Alright, with that note, we'll fade out. Ooh.